Hello, welcome to day 22 of our 28-day gratitude practice that we are doing with the help of the book called The Secret, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. Today's chapter is Before Your Very Eyes. So, as the name suggests, the chapter is about what to do when the magic actually happens in our life. What to do when your dream, your wish, your desire gets completed and you have manifested. So, from day 13, you must have realized that we are constantly working on our top 10 desires. All the assignments are around our top 10 desires. So today's assignment, apart from Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock, is to carry your top 10 desire list in your pocket, in your wallet. And the author is suggesting to carry it every day. And whenever you get an opportunity, as a part of today's assignment, you have to do it 2 times, but whenever you get an opportunity, as many times as you want to do, take out that list, read it and pay gratitude, enormous heartfelt gratitude, sincere gratitude, as if the dream has already come true. You have already received what you wanted, you have already become what you wanted, you already have got what you wanted. You have to constantly keep it in your mind and pay gratitude multiple times in a day. When your desire out of that top 10 list gets completed, cross that desire off and you may add a new desire and make a fresh top 10 dream list. Whatever seems to be an absolute impossibility can also be achieved through gratitude. Just have that faith, just have that belief in law of attraction. Keep practicing no complaint days, keep practicing gratitude, and you will see enormous magics in your life. To get inspired, you may read the manifestation success stories on Rhonda Byrne's official website. The link is provided in the description box below. So keep reading your top 10 desire list, paying gratitude to it, and visualizing as if it has got completed. Within no time, you will just attract your dreams and desires. Good luck with your assignment. If you need any further guidance on how to do the assignment, then please ping me on the Facebook link provided in the description box below, and I would try to help you out. Also, if you would like to be a part of my guided book reading sessions, then also please ping me there and I'll get you enrolled and registered in our next batch. Keep up the belief, keep up your gratitude, and see the magics unfolding for you. Good luck.